in Sheets, coding our telecommunication decoder. Let's just take a look around before we start coding. Looks pretty similar to our encoder, but now it works in reverse. We're actually going to input our digital code that we're getting from our teammate who's sending it with sound and light, or amplitude modulation or frequency modulation, some combination of those. But you will input the ones and zeros as you get them, the digital signal, and you can decide if that's bit 0 up to bit 7. Knowing that there's 8 bits, you can start with bit 7 and work your way down. All right, well, once we have our digital signal, with the way Sheets works, we do want to convert that to our digital decimal signal, as we work the opposite on the encoder. And then ultimately, we're going to use that ASCII table again to decode. ASCII has also been renamed to Unicode 8, meaning the universal code, 8 bits. And then we will input that as one of our bytes and join them all together to get our 3-letter message. All right, let's dive in. So we need to take our digital signal, which is binary, and convert it to decimals. Again, bit 0 is the ones, and then it goes 2s, 4s, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So we can go in here, equals 1 times, if there's a signal there. We could go all the way through. Although we just finished with the encoder, so I might hop over there and copy and paste. But I'm going to do a couple more just in case you want to see it. So this is the 2's column, 2 raised to the 1. So that's 2 times the number above it. This is the 4's column, so it's going to equal 4 times the number above it. Of course, that being 0, it's going to output a 0. But I'm going to go over here now and copy. Save myself a little time. And there we go. All right, now we do have a new function, or one maybe you've used in labs. We need to get all of these added up. So we could just have this, I'm in code 3 now, I hit equals. I could pick every cell and add them up. Or if you have a lot of cells like this, you can use a built-in function called sum, S-U-M. Let's sum, and then highlight all the cells you want to sum. In parentheses, so I'm going from H9 to O9 and 83. All right. And for completeness, let's go and convert that to binary just as we did before. So decimal to binary, equal sign, dec for decimal, the number 2 for 2, and then bin for binary. And then I'm just going to go grab that cell, F9. Oh, it dropped the 0 again, so I'm going to comma 8 in parentheses. Okay, that just looks good now. Now we need to decode 83 back into the letter. We know from the encoder that this is capital S, but we don't know every character, so we're going to need to have the computer do that for us. So we want to take the number and turn it back into the character. So I'm going to click on code 3, equal sign, and you'll probably recognize this function. We want to take a number and convert it to character. So it's actually just character, or the first 4 letters, C-H-A-R, short for character, of whatever number we have. So that's F9 parentheses, return, and it's that capital S. Okay, now that I have my letter, I'm going to go down to byte and put it in, capital S, return, and you can see my 3-letter message. If you click on it, you'll see we use the join function, which joins each of our separate bytes or separate letters into a single word, our 3-letter message.